Most people get stuck on this step when bridging to Flow, not because it's hard, it's because nobody actually walked them through it. Come here. This is that walkthrough. So today we're going to bridge funds to the Flow network and deposit into our ayUSD vault. 2 steps, under 90 seconds. You'll need a wallet setup and some pyUSD to start. First, go to stargate.finance. Connect your wallet, select your source chain. I'm using Arbitrum to bridge to Flow. Choose pyUSD as the asset, enter your amount, and confirm. The bridge transaction usually settles in seconds. You'll see it land in your Flow wallet shortly. Now go to alphayields.ai. Connect your wallet, deposit, enter your amount. So let's say $100. Then you deposit and approve the transaction. So that's it. Your funds are now in the vault. You're earning real yield from lending spreads, trading fees, options premiums automatically. You can check your position and live APY right here in the dashboard. So like I said, guys, no emissions, no governance token, no fake APY, yield from real activity. So if you have any questions, drop them in Discord or on X. That's it.